Welcome back. How you doing? Today we're going to make some more burritos or tortilla wraps. This time vegetarian ones. We've got black beans, vegetables and cheese in there. Let's get started. Okay, then let's take a look at the ingredients that we have here. I've got some cooked basmati rice, tomato, bell peppers, black beans, onion, mushrooms, sweet corn, cheddar cheese, garlic, and then here our spices, equal parts, like 2 teaspoons each of paprika, oregano, cumin and chili powder. We're going to make a mixture of it all together. Sometimes when I make burritos, I'll be putting stuff in separately. This one's going to be a whole big mix. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, I've got some olive oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. I'm going to start off by dropping in our onion. Now, everything's cut quite small here. And our garlic. I'm also going to get our black beans in immediately, and I'm going to add some salt and some black pepper. Now if you're using the black beans from a can, make sure you give them a nice wash in some cold water, then drain them off. We're going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and as you can hear, we're on quite a high heat. Fantastic, and this is so easy. Let's go in with our corn, our bell peppers, and our mushrooms. Once again, staying on this heat. I'll see you in about another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Coming together really nicely. Next up, we're going to drop in that tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. And we're also going to add our spices. Let's have a little look there again, shall we? Equal parts of oregano, chili, paprika and cumin powder. Once again, I'll see you in about 3 minutes. Amazing aromas coming out of here. Right, let's drop in our cooked rice. Give that a little mix. We're very nearly done. Let's just go for 2 minutes now. Beautiful. Off goes the heat. Now, if you wanted some fresh cilantro or coriander in there, and if you want to keep this vegan, that's beautiful. I'm about to add in some grated cheese. I'm using a cheddar cheese. And just with the heat off, give it a mix. And then we're done. We've got a wonderful, wonderful filling. We can move on to the next step. Okay, so our filling's done. Let's have a little chat about our tortillas. I'm using these whole wheat ones. You can use a plain white one, corn. They come in different sort of flavors really and sizes. These are about 12 inches. What we're gonna do, well, I'm gonna use my ones in a kind of press grill. If you want, you can just put them in the microwave to heat them up a little bit. Once they're a bit warmer, they kind of stick together a bit better, a bit more pliable. Or if you want, you could toast them up on a dry skillet. So very simply, we're gonna get some filling in, fold, gonna go into my press grill, done. Okay, so you can see I've got an amount of the filling in there. You don't wanna overdo it, but you want enough in there to eat really. But if you put too much in, it's gonna go all over the place. So we're gonna do a fold, then we're gonna roll it over like that. And there you go, you've got a nice tortilla ready to go. Okay, so I've got one of these type things, pressed grill. We're going to drop these on. And I've got mine on high heat. They're going to go in for my machine for about 4 minutes. See you then. Okay, let's have a look. There you go, beautiful. Let's get those on the plate. Okay, wonderful. Nice and hot. Stay together really beautifully. Let's have a look inside, shall we? And there you go. I love those. Really, really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.